Okay, here's another example on how we are going to find the missing length of a triangle by using the Pythagorean theorem. So again, what you want to do is always start off by identifying your right angle. So notice the right angle is right there. And then what you want to do is identify your hypotenuse, which is the longest side, and it's always you can identify by going straight across the right angle. So this is your hypotenuse, which is your C. Okay, and notice that they already labeled B for us right here. This is one of the legs, and then you could identify the other one. Here's the other leg, and you could let this be A. Okay, so then you write the Pythagorean theorem, the formula, which is A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. Okay, and then you just plug in the numbers really quickly. So you'll have A squared plus, oops, my bad. A, we already know it's going to be 5. So I'm going to put 5 squared instead of A squared. B squared we don't know. And then our C squared is going to be 13 squared. Okay. So then we work out the exponents first. Oh, I forgot to put a plus sign right here. Okay. We work out the exponents first. So 5 squared is going to be 25 plus B squared is equal to, and then 13 squared is going to be 169. Okay, 169. All right. So notice we want to leave the variable here by itself right here. And like in chapter 1, what we want to do is do the inverse, right? Since we have a positive here, I'm going to go ahead and add a negative to make it a 0. And whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. So I go ahead and subtract here by 25 as well. Okay, and if I do that, I combine like terms. So I'll use a different color to show that step here. So I combine these two terms together and I get a 0. So I end up with B squared equals 2. And then I combine these two terms together and I get, I believe, 144. Okay. And then to undo a square, we do a square root. So we are going to take the square root on both sides, just like this. And the square and the square root are going to cancel. So we get B is equal to, and just a quick reminder, when we take the square root of a number, we get two roots. We get a positive and a negative root, and we get 12. Okay, but then pay attention to the context. Notice right here, they're measuring distance, okay, because they're using centimeters. So what we're going to do is just say B. We're only going to take the positive root because of the context, and we're going to say it's 12 centimeters. Okay, and that's how you approach this problem.